Good morning, children. This is Shivalsa speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter of fractions and decimals, in which we understood many things about the fractions, how to deal with, how to add fractions, how to divide fractions. So here in this particular video, we will discuss about how to multiply the fractions. Before that, we discussed about the fractions, drawing the figures, identifying like a portion of shaded portion was given. From there we used to calculate the fractions. So here in this particular video, children, we will discuss about how to multiply the fractions in a very easier way. So children, in exercise 2.2 question number 5 is said about half of 24 and 46 to be calculated. So half means 1 by 2 of 24, and question number 2 is 46. Okay children, so how to calculate half of 24? So it's a very simple thing. We know that of means multiplication. So half means half 1 by 2 into 24. Children, this number 24 is actually numerator. There is nothing in the place of denominator, so we can simply take 1. Or if you don't take 1, there is no problem as such. Simply by doing cancellations, we can get an answer. So 2 and 24, 2 and 24 can be cancelled. 2 12s are 24. Answer is 12 by 1, or we can write simply 12. That is only our answer, children. The next part is half of 46, means half into 46. So as we all can see, 2 and 46 can be cancelled. So 2 cancelling 46 with the number 23. 2 23s are 46. Answer is 23 by 1. Or we can simply write 23 only. No problem in that. So children, this is how we have to deal with this kind of questions. Let me erase my screen. Now, the question number 2 is about the B of question number 1 is 2/3 of 18 and 27, means 2 by 3 into 18. We know it very well that the meaning of the word of means multiplication. So 3 6 are 18, means I'll write 6 2s are 12, because 6 is a place of numerator and 2 is in the place of numerator. Numerator always gets multiplied. Answer will be 12. Now, next part of this question is 2/3 of 27, means 2 by 3 into 27. So children, 3 and 27 can be cancelled. 3 9s are 27. So answer is 9 into 2 is 18. There is no statements to be written. There is no other things to be done. By simply multiplying, we can get our answer. This is how we have to deal with this kind of questions, children. And this questions comes in exam. So we need to multiply them in a correct order, because if you don't understand or if you don't do these multiplications correctly, we'll have problem in future in higher standards. So just let me clean the screen. Now, next part of the question is similar process to be used. The question has been told that 3 into 5 1 by 5, means one number is whole number and other number is in a mixed fractional form. So 3 into 5 1 by 5, 5 1 by 5. Say children, how to do this? First we will write 3 into 5 1 by 5 will be converted into improper fraction. As it's in a mixed fractional form, we will convert it into improper fraction. So 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26 by 5. So the number is 26 by 5. So 26 and 3 to be multiplied. 3 into 26 is 78 by 5. Now children, 78 by 5 I got over here. Now this is to be converted into mixed fractional form. So 78 divided by 5 is 5 ones are 5, 2 8, 5 5s are 25, 25 will be here. So what will be left? 3 will be leftover number, remainder will be 3. So the final answer is 15, 15, 3 by 15, 3 by 5. This is how we have to bring our answer. I believe it's clear to everyone. Again children, the next part of this question is, uh, 5 into 6 3 by 4. So 5 into 6 3 by 4. See children, how to do this? I'll just simply write 5 into 6 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 4 6 are 24 plus 3, 27 by 4. Now as we all can see, 4 and 27 cannot be cancelled, 4 and 5 cannot be cancelled. So I'll just simply multiply 5 into 27. 5 into 27 is 5 7s are 35, 5, 3 will be carried, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 13, 135 by 4. Now children, it's time to bring the answer into mixed fractional form. So 135 I am dividing by 4, 3 4s are 12, 1 will be there, 5 will come down. So 3 4s are 12, again 3 4s are 12, 3 is the remainder. Answer is 33, 3 by 4. This is how we get our answer. Answer is 33, 3 by 4. So children, I believe this much is clear to everyone. So question number 7 to be done exactly in the same process. That is half of 2 3 by 4 means, children, half of 3 by 4 means, let me clean my screen first. So half of 2 3 by 4 means half into 2 3 by 4. So 2 3 by 4. So this is to be calculated, half into 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11 by 4, 11 by 4. Answer is 11 by 8. And I believe everyone can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So children, this is like all these sums are related sums. In this way we will get an answer. If there is any confusions or doubts, please feel free to speak to me. All your doubts will be cleared for sure. Till then, thank you so much children. Bye bye. Take care.